Hey, and welcome to Through the Fire. Now, y'all know I usually don't come here to record at night in the dark, but we got a surprise. We have electric, you guys. My contractor actually told me yesterday that they were planning to cut on the electric, but actually coming in here and being able to turn the lights on while it's pitch black at night was such a different experience. And I'm gonna let some of my commentary that I had play while we go through the house and take a look at things that have been done. Buddy. Oh my gosh. We got heat, my nigga. We got heat, yo. I'm like moving. I cannot believe this. Hold on, wait. Does this mean I'm responsible for the electric bill this month? Shit. Okay, so I'm just gonna jump back in because I don't have any more commentary in the video. So there I go with my nail again. Like, y'all, I have to cut these down. But y'all, this is the update video that we have for this episode. It wasn't much, but I just wanted to go through the house and see, you know, everything lit up. Test out what I could as far as the electric goes, you know, seeing what rooms have electric or what rooms have bulbs and things like that and what doesn't. And I'm just taking everything in, like, this is really going to be my reality in the evenings really soon. So thank you for joining me and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.